Well, hey everybody, we are making delicious artichokes. It's that time of year. It's July already, can you believe it? It's that time. Fresh artichokes from the garden, a little bit of butter, and a little bit of garlic. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, you just want to boil some water, put a little bit of salt in there, get it to boiling, and we're going to put the artichokes in after we cut it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to cut this stem off to make it flat. So you're exposing the heart right there, so you want it flat. And then you are just going to cut it straight right about here, because you don't want these pointy edges and you want to get rid of this top right here. So I'm going to do that, and I will bring you back and show you what that looks like. I just want to cut it off. So it started out like this, and you want it to look like that. Okay, here we have the artichoke, and this is what we cut off. So you cut off the tip, you're not losing anything because all of the good stuff is at the bottom of these leaves. So don't feel bad that you're cutting all that off. Okay, here we have both of the artichokes now cut and ready. Did you know that the artichokes are actually the flowers of the plant? So we're cutting them off before they bloom. So if you are growing these, you want to make sure that they're nice and tight. The heads are nice and tight like shown before I cut them. It's actually the flower. If left to stay on the plant, they actually bloom into really pretty flowers. But we eat the flower. So we are going to start separating the leaves. Now, the way I grew up with these, my mom would stuff the leaves. She would cook them for a little bit, open this up more, and then stuff the leaves with some breadcrumb and butter mixture with seasoning and things. So I'm not going to do that. We're just going to eat these as is with some garlic butter. So what I like to do to open these is just press down a little bit like that, and it kind of opens them all up. So let me finish open these because I need two hands, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so after you open these up, you can see now that they look a little bit more like a flower would look like. This is the way you want it. And we're going to take it over to our pan, and we're going to just drop it upside down like this into the water. So if you want to stuff these, you can make a breadcrumb and Italian seasoning, garlic and butter mixture into a paste. And then all you do is you separate the leaves and just kind of pour that paste all in there. And then you want to set this in the water this way, obviously, so nothing falls out, and cook them that way. So that takes about probably maybe 45 minutes to an hour, because you want to put it on simmer and you want to cook the breadcrumbs in there. So what we're going to do is way easier. It's only going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to pretty much steam these, although they're going to be kind of underwater, this part. So yeah, and it's delicious, and I will show you how to eat them as well. Okay, so let's get our flowers into the pot. Okay, we are going to take our artichoke flour, and we're going to put it in the pot upside down like so, and put our other one in there upside down as well. Okay, so this is almost at a boil, and I am just going to cover this, and we're going to wait for about 15 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, while we're waiting for those to cook, we're going to take a whole stick of butter, oops, and we are going to put that in our measuring cup, oops, because I'm just going to microwave this. I'm doing this the lazy way, you guys. It's 9 o'clock at night. And then we are going to take some of our garlic, my home canned garlic, by the way, and we're going to put that in there. Not too much. Oops. Now, you can add some Italian seasoning to this if you want to. I will probably do half and half because my husband doesn't like that, and I do. So yeah, you can do any kind of flavoring that you want with these, and we're going to put it in the microwave and melt the butter. Okay, so I'm doing two separate ones, one for me and my husband. So I did the butter, has the garlic in it, so I'm just going to put a little teeny bit of my homemade Italian seasoning in there, little teeny bit. And we're just going to mix that in. Give it a little bit of a nice flavor to it. And that will be mine. And then my husband's is just going to be butter. Okay, so these are boiling. And I just took the cover off to check them. So this is how you check them. So you want to put your fork in the heart of it. And when it goes all the way through, they're done. So this is not close, and it's been in there for probably about 6 minutes. I'm gonna put it back, and I'll bring you back when they're done. Okay, so here we are, right about 15 minutes in. That one goes all the way in. And look at that. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna turn this off and show you how we eat these. Okay, and here is what it looks like at the end. This is my husband's. This one is mine with the seasoning. I'm gonna show you how I eat this. So we're just gonna, this is really hot. We're just gonna pluck one of these off. Okay, let me get this with both hands. Okay, so we got this off. We are gonna take this off, dip it, and you see all of that meat right there? That is what you're just going to kind of bite off. And it's really hot right now, but I'm gonna try. So good. That's what you want to do, is just clean the leaf off like that. So this looks like a lot, but it really isn't, but it is really good. So we always have an extra plate for the leaves, which I already have on our table. So we're gonna go enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you guys do another recipe for artichokes. This is what I love. This is what my husband's taught me. But I also used to love my mom's stuffed artichoke. So let me know what you guys do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Today's word of the day is artichoke. So stay tuned. We are going to be giving away a lot of stuff in July. Freeze-dried stuff from Thrive Life, as well as Mexican vanilla and some other things as well, like Italian seasoning. So stay tuned, you guys, and make sure that you're subscribed to be eligible to win. And like the video, and please share. It really helps our channel grow. We're going pretty fast right now, so I'm really happy about that. And stay tuned. There is a lot coming up. Thanks for watching.